Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Ngenuity installed and Windows 10 or 11 active, plus Cloud 3 firmware updated. Once done, plug the supplied USB-C cable into a direct USB 3.0 port. Make sure it's not a hub. You'll see Windows recognize new audio device, allow drivers to install. If prompted, accept device permissions. This first sequence ensures the software and hardware can communicate. It prevents connection errors later when you open Ngenuity. Open Ngenuity using Run as administrator so the app has full access to device ports. Once the app loads, check the devices list for Cloud 3. Select it to reveal panels for firmware, equalizer, and mic. Next, enable the firmware pane and click Update if an update is offered. Do not disconnect the cable or put the PC to sleep. Finally, adjust the EQ and mic settings. These changes write directly to the headset configuration, so confirm each change before moving on. After updating and tuning, save your profile to both the Cloud 3 device memory and a local slot so you can recall settings quickly. Then test audio and mic in Windows Sound settings and in Ngenuity Diagnostics. Speak and play audio to confirm levels. If something fails, try a different USB port and restart Ngenuity. One key troubleshooting tip: disable exclusive mode in Windows for the headset, then reconnect. This resolves common driver or app conflicts and restores full.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.